Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Krazy Wolf in the house. Today I'm going to be showcasing the third part of the magic crate. So let's go. For this experiment, you'll be needing the magic crate box itself, the template that is given as the push and pull mirror, some rubber bands, your choice of weapon to cut the template, some glue, and a bottle with no water. First up, place the template on the back of the magic crate box. Later, hold the template in place by inserting the knife. Now gently trace out the outlines of the template given. Now just use the knife to cut along the lines of the template, mate. Well, not too shabby, I guess. Using this, cut another part like this, just like that, on the box. After making the two, just use the glue to stick one against the other. Now cut the template and stick it on to the wood obtained. And voila, that's what you must be doing. In the next bit, put the rubber band around this part as follows. Next up, I'll use the hook of this bottle and attach it to the rubber band of the push and pull meter. Now let's see the force exerted by the empty bottle. It is approximately equal to 1 Newton. Now let us see the force exerted by this long stick. It is approximately equal to 0.4 Newton, I guess. So I think it's approximately equal to 0.5 Newton. Now, as you all can see, I've just created a device that helps us to measure the force exerted by something or someone. Isn't that amazing? Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.